A car coming. I feel very weird.
Take a picture. Oh wait, you want to spin?
Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. So today I am going to the park with my sisters. I'm not sure if a few of my families are going to tag along or not, but I just did this full face of soft glam makeup on my channel if you guys want to check that out. It should be the video before this one, but yes, we're going to take a few pictures. I'm not a photographer or anything, I don't have any skills, but we're just going to play around and see what we can take pictures of. So I think my sister is getting ready right now. I just finished my face. I'm going to go try to find an outfit. Today is pretty cloudy and it's in the 60 degrees, so it's kind of cold, but not that cold. I'll see you after I figured out what clothes I am going to wear, or what outfit I am going to wear. So I'm back. I just checked with my sister. She's not done getting ready yet, so I'm not sure what I want to wear yet, but I'm just thinking of this white turtleneck and this pink knitted tank top. You guys will see later. But since my sister is still getting ready, I just made avocado. So I just toasted the bread, put avocado, salt, and black pepper, and then just sunny side up egg. But this is kind of flipped on the other side. So I'm just gonna enjoy this and wait for my sister. You can come. I'm just vlogging. My sister is here.
You know what? Like, I kind of chose this outfit because, like, it kind of gives like an older vibe, like the pants does. You know what I mean? Like, through the decades, it's like 90s.
Oh yeah. I wanted to wear a fancy dress, but the weather says no.
Oh my god. I already wore all of my dresses. Kind of. I already have pictures of all of them, so I was like, eh.
So actually we didn't make it in time to the park. The park closes at 6, but then when we got there was a gate covering the parking space. So then we drove around looking for other places that would be nice to take pictures in, and we couldn't find anything. So now we're here at a parking spot and we're gonna take pictures with these bushes because that's kind of the only that's the last resort. So if we are not gonna take pictures here, we won't be able to take pictures today. That's my sister Lily. And I'm going to try to take pictures of her. She's going to try to take pictures of me. Okay, so I'm going to insert a few photos on the screen for you guys. See you then. You want to do a little spinny spin? A car coming. I feel very weird.
Take a picture. Oh wait, you want to spin? way.
Okay, so we just got done taking pictures. It was kind of awkward because our first time doing it in public, especially in a public parking lot. But hopefully they turned out good. It's pretty windy and cold.
Are we doing any shopping?
Oh yeah, we're gonna do some shopping since this is a shopping center. It's raining. It's raining, guys.
I got your stuffed toys.
It's okay. I like that. So I just got back home. Now it's like 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. I went to a few stores, needed to pee, so I went to Target to go pee. And then I ate and just got home. So I'm going to change into comfortable clothing and I will see you guys in a bit. I am going to take off my makeup later. I think I might go karaoke in my living room, of course, with my sister. If not, I might karaoke alone in the living room. Today was not how I expected it to be. We were supposed to wake up at 8 in the morning to get ready and then head out to this park that I've been wanting to go to. But then we always take very long to get ready. And also, like, we did other errands in the morning. It was basically 5 when we were about to leave, and the park actually closes at 6. It was kind of like a 20-minute drive also, so we were driving there. When we got there, the gate to the parking lot was closed, and so I didn't know where else to park because I still saw people at the park. You know, it wasn't gated or anything, but the parking lot was gated, so we couldn't park there. But I didn't know where else to park, so then I quickly tried to search up other places nearby and drove around for a little while, and then I was like, okay, well, let's just go shopping because we're close to a shopping center, you know, because we had originally planned to go take pictures. So then I was like, we can just take pictures in the parking lot. There was like some nice bush in the parking lot. There weren't a lot of people in the parking space that we were at. You know, like the shopping center is like all the way over here, and then the parking where all the bushes were like all the way over here. So then we were kind of away from everyone. But yeah, that was fun. After we came out from Target, that was when it started raining. It was like sprinkling at first, and then it started raining. Also, if you see my earrings, not sure if you can see it. Let me zoom in. See it? Yeah. So this is actually a sign of a Cancer, the horoscope sign, and then in the back it says Cancer. Yeah, in the back it says Cancer. There we go. So these earrings, you can actually get them on my Etsy shop, Pretty in Lilac. They are our zodiac sign earrings. You can either have them have the sign or have them have the word. Is that what it's called? Yeah. It's like a very light pink, and then the hook is like gold. It's very cute if you guys want, or if you guys are interested in zodiac or just cute dainty earrings, go ahead and check it out. I will link them down below for you guys. Let me check the price. I believe they are $5 a pair, either $5 or $4 a pair. Let me just quickly check that for you. Okay, so I just checked. They're actually only $4.50. So I have all of the months. This is a few of them. So this is the charms, and then we make them into earrings. You get to decide which one you want to be facing forward, and then I'll make it face forward for you guys. And also, we are actually having a lip gloss sale on my Etsy shop. I kind of wanted to get rid of all the old lip glosses so that I can make more. So then they were originally $5, but 40% off all of the lip gloss, and now they are down to $3. So if you guys are interested in lip glosses, please check them out. So these right there, these are actually my Holly Red lip gloss. It is peppermint flavor, and you know, the little glitters in there. This is my sample. I don't know how to show you guys, but hold on, here we go. Okay, so this is kind of like an awkward length, but also I ate, so that's why my lipstick is all gone. But then here is the lip gloss. It's not sticky. You open it. I mean, of course it's kind of sticky because it's lip gloss, but it's like not very sticky. It's very smooth. I hear the rain on my window. Sorry, I love the smell. Peppermint. So maybe I should have put it on while sitting up, but basically I want to say that these lip glosses are more smooth than they are sticky. And also, of course, this red one is kind of tinted, if you guys saw the difference. Anyways, I had fun today, even though it didn't really go as planned, but you know, there's just those days, and today is one of those days. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I don't really vlog much. This might be like my second vlog that I've made, so I'm not very experienced in that yet. I want to start vlogging. So yeah, this video is my attempt to vlog and to like actually speak in the vlog. Hopefully it wasn't too boring for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys had a nice day or is having a nice day. I will see you guys next time. Bye.